Solana's ecosystem has been exploding in value, and over the last couple of months, I've seen a lot of people talk about meme coins on Solana's blockchain. But today I want to talk about something different, and this is a project called Coral Protocol. It's built on Solana's blockchain. It has around a $10 to $15 million market cap, and this project is in the AI sector because this is a project that is doing something completely different than I've ever seen in the crypto space, and they are competing with the likes of like Microsoft and actually beating them on a number of key items that we're going to talk about. So this project is a decentralized protocol powering AI agent collaboration, trust, and payments. It's laying the foundation for safe AGI. And so Coral Protocol, if you look at their website, they're ultimately branding themselves as the Internet of Agents infrastructure play. They say Coral is a decentralized protocol powering AI agent collaboration, trust, and payments, laying the foundation for safe AGI. And like I said, Coral, it have multi-agent graph architecture, which is something that is really cool. If we look a little bit at their documents, you can see how Coral's multi-agent graph architecture outperformed a lot of solutions from major tech giants. And they talked about this a lot on their X. Their multi-agent system outperformed Microsoft's Magnetic UI by 34%. UK government's AISI Inspect React powered by Anthropic's AIs. You could see it also outperformed top models from big tech, including Meta. And you can see all of this right here. This is something that is so impressive for a project that is in the crypto space and has less than $100 million market cap that is doing these sorts of things at only a $10 to $15 million market cap. I think it is so undervalued that we are seeing a protocol outperform like Microsoft and like ChatGPT and all of these things, and no one is talking about it. So this is something you really need to be keeping an eye out on and something that you really need to be watching. Like, it's a project that I own and I think has massive potential. I think it could be a 100x returning project very easily. I think it could easily be $1 billion market cap plus. Some of the cool things about this protocol that really set it apart, and some of the core features are that it uses pre-built agents, so it leverages other developers' pre-built specialized agents to build your own system. Framework and language agnostic, so you can use any framework or language when building or working with agents, which is something that is very important because not everyone has experience with all of the different agents, but with this, you can work across many. And it says built-in privacy, thread-based communication, and some of the things that I really like about it is that they are faster, because it's basically just easier to integrate into any software ecosystem. There's more predictable costs because each agent attends to narrower problems and responsibilities, which allows you to have more control over costs. And then it's really, really, like I said, simple to deploy. So something that, again, I really like about it. Some of the use cases for Coral Protocol are going to be with AI-assisted network incident resolution, proactive customer churn prevention, automated pull request quality assurance. And so this is a project that is doing a lot, even if it is, something that people aren't talking about. So in 2025, you could see their roadmap. They had a rebrand and launch. They rebranded from AI23T to Coral Protocol. They launched a new token on Solana's blockchain, and they're planning on, major listings and having public beta of Coralizer CLI and a lot of big plans. But their roadmap goes much deeper than this, and you could see a lot of what they have planned into Q1 of 2026. But ultimately, this is something that you really don't want to miss out on. Another thing I like about this project is that they have a team that is extremely experienced and fully doxed, which you really don't see. It is extremely, extremely rare in the crypto space to see a team with this much experience and being doxed. You could see their CTO, CEO, COO, and a ton of people on their team. And if you look a little bit deeper into them and what they've done, they have experience with a lot of different AI companies, Agent AI, Camel AI, and a lot more. Last thing I do want to talk about with this project is that you can see that they do have some pretty impressive things going on very soon. One is that they have this Internet of Agents hackathon at Solana HQ. It says, unlock the power of internet agents, leverage any agent to build software 10 times faster. And this is hosted really with Coral Protocol. You can see that this is taking place September 14th to the 21st. And you can see how you're going to get like hands-on guidance from expert mentors and Coral specialists. And so what I like about this is that it doesn't matter if you go to this or not, but what's more important is that this project is positioned as a leader in the AI agent and software space. They're doing things better, and it's just proven, than Microsoft, than some of the biggest companies like Meta. It's just proven by data, and so most people aren't talking about this. So that's something that I really like about this project, is that people are finally starting to see the potential of it. And so if you get into a project like this early, it's really going to be a game changer, because it's only at a $10 to $15 million market cap, and they have potential, in my opinion, to do 100x return. Could easily be a $1 billion plus project. And really, once we start to see those major exchange listings, it's going to be game over for this project in terms of it's just going to be parabolic in terms of its growth. I think we're just going to continue to see more and more companies, more people talk about this, and it's something I'm going to be a part of, and I'm going to keep you guys updated on major developments as they take place.